California, there's a lot more board in place now.
Hey, Grace.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Not bad. Wednesday. Not for good.
Alright, so doing a little my learn from Jonathan here, the manufacturers out here. All right, is it ready to? You filming?
And is that the size
Yeah.
up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Trim on the lines. Supposed to pop when it's finished. It's full battery, still spinning. Yo, you just heard that pop?
Yeah.
It's still spinning.
Okay.
Okay, this is going to be the Greenlee Die on the Taskmaster Ilsco crimper, crimping 600 to 250 mi. All right. So you want to start from the inside
Yeah.
and work your way out so we can maybe do the same 3 compression.
Yep. Try to stay within the lines of the Ilsco die. No pop.
No pop on it.
No pop. It just popped.
It popped on release.
It popped when I just tapped the release.
Okay. So how does it look right now, though? Does it die? Is it loose? Did it crimp on?
It does look more loose than the Milwaukee one.
Okay.
I can try going for a second one, see what it looks like.
Let's do a second one.
Yeah. It just popped when I pressed the release.
All right. Is it? It's not moving though, right? It's crimped on there.
Yeah, it's not moving.
Okay. All right. So this is the new Ilsco crimper,
Going with the new die?
and is this a new barrel?
Yeah, this is the
Okay.
new
So this
barrel.
is the new barrel.
Labeled
Okay.
N. Old one I got.
Is there any markings to
labeled
know
O.
whether it's new or old?
Not really, no.
No, not really.
No.
Not even by the batch number on the bags.
Uh,
There's batch numbers
yeah,
on the bags. I don't know how you
yeah.
identify it, but
I'm sure there's a way at the factory they can dig through SAP and look at the batch number on the bag, but
Yep.
I don't,
okay.
yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
So for our purposes, we marked N for the new barrel that we received from
Oh,
Eric
excellent.
this week,
Okay.
and we marked just an O for old
Okay,
for the ones that we had existing that we tested last time.
beautiful.
Alright. Oh, it popped.
I know.
Popped on its own.
Woohoo!
Still
Oh, it's still
wobbly
loose, though.
Yeah. But you see how it popped on its own though? The other one didn't
Yeah.
do that.
Yeah, I know. I was excited when I saw it pop that way.
It's still shaky.